Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to delete a Squarespace website with no delete option. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password here. Click on these three dots next to the website you want to delete. If you don't see this delete option with this website, this means that your site paid subscription should be cancelled. Same thing with the domain name. You should disconnect your domain name and also cancel any other active subscriptions like equity scheduling. For to cancel your site subscription, just go to click on the same three dots, click on billing. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, so how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Click on subscriptions. Click on website below active subscriptions and click on this cancel subscription. In my case, I don't want to cancel my subscription, so I will skip it. Same thing, the second point is that you need to cancel or disconnect your domain name. For that, go to domains and emails, click on domains and click on this domain name and select disconnect domain. Now that you're supposed to cancel your site paid subscription, disconnected the domain name, the last thing you need to do to be able to delete a website on Squarespace is to cancel any other active subscription like equity scheduling, for example. To do that, just go to, I think, settings, look for subscriptions, go to billing, click on subscriptions, equity scheduling, just click on it and you can cancel it using this button on this page. I've already canceled mine, so I don't have the cancel button anymore. Now that you've done all of these steps, click on your profile from this corner and you will be able to have the deletion option below duplicate website option here. After clicking on it, you will see this question, confirm your deletion and wait a second. And this is how to delete a website from Squarespace.